Welcome! Today, I'm going to tell you how you can edit the shop settings for the shopping buttons or areas that you have integrated in your product catalog. Let's get started! To begin, I will need to go into the Design Studio. For this, I select my shoppable catalog and click Edit from the main dashboard. Now that I've reached the Design Studio, I just need to select one of the buttons or areas that have already been added to the catalog. I only need to edit the shop settings for one, and the changes will automatically be reflected for all other buttons or areas in the catalog. In the shop settings, we will start by editing the general settings. Here, you can customize the shop icon in your flipbook. For example, to create a wishlist field, I'll choose a heart icon. Then, we can set up the email addresses where we want to receive our orders. And we can also set up an order confirmation message that the buyer will receive after his order has been sent. If you want to receive orders to different email addresses based on buyer choices, choose conditional inboxes. For example, you can ask your buyers to select their location when placing an order. You can offer them choices. I'll go for North America, Europe, and Asia. You can then associate each choice with an email address, northamerica.com, Europe, and Asia, and so on. When a buyer selects North America, for example, the order will be sent to the email address associated with that specific location. For the same area, we can set up different fields that the customer needs to fill in before they're able to send their order. Things like email, phone number, address, or anything else that you require. Having in mind applicable privacy laws and regulations, we recommend adding your privacy and policy link when collecting personal information. Now, let's go to the Order Options section. From this area, you can control how your orders are managed. We have 5 options that can be used in a variety of different ways. The first option is Send Orders via Email. Enabling this option will allow your buyers to send their orders directly from the catalog. You can add your logo to appear in the email of the customer that receives the order. Then, we have PDF Download, which allows your buyers to download their order list in PDF format. The PDF can also be branded with your own logo, header and footer. Lastly, you can enable the CSV download option so that your buyers can save the order as a spreadsheet. If you want to enable checkout via WhatsApp or Slack, you have these options as well. For more information about Slack checkout integration, check out the article in the description. For WhatsApp checkout, you'll have to add your mobile number and your customers will then be able to send orders via WhatsApp. The button label, hello message, and thank you message are customizable as well. You can mix and match these options as you like in order to best fit your use case. Depending on your specific use case, you might only need 1 or 2 options, not all 5. In my case, I'll want to use all 5 options. I want my buyers to send me their orders directly to my email, WhatsApp, or Slack, and I also want them to be able to download the order in PDF and CSV format for safekeeping. Let's preserve these settings so I won't have to go through them again for other catalogs. If you're done with this step, click Save Changes. Now, let's take a look at what we have done so far and see how it will appear from the customer's perspective. As you can see, the buyer can simply add his item to his shopping cart and then he can download the order in PDF or CSV format. To send me their order, the buyer will need to click on Send Order. They will have to fill in the details that we have requested, such as location, email address, full name, and website. Then, they will also need to agree to our privacy policy before they can move ahead. Then, I'll receive the order details in my email. I can also check this in the Flipbook Statistics section. We can also integrate with your inventory or ERP system. If you're interested in that, please contact your account owner or write us in our live support chat. You can also check out our Zapier integration article from the description. So from here, I can assist the customer with their order. If a customer chooses to order via WhatsApp, they'll be redirected to the app with the order already filled in. They just need to send a message. But if you want to learn more about our shopping list feature, then please check out one of the other tutorials. Thank you guys!